Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at the SPY, the IWM, the Qs, the DIA, and the IYT. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So let's go right into the daily spider. 82 million. Volume picked up a little bit. We were down $1.96 or 0.81% on the day. We did close right below the gap fill, so that's a little bit alarming. But let's see if we just don't. Let's see if we come into the 50 MA and just bounce right back up. And this is a good bounce area too, guys. You have these pivots here too. 242 and this one up here at 241.69. So let's see what happens. But this bullish pattern starts to fail. This will be a down move easily to 228, guys. So that's target for here, and then we'll see how it develops. Blah blah blah. But if this bullish pattern above the 50 and the 200 still plays out, looking at the 250 area. 253. So up move 253, down move 228. If it goes up, we'll wait for pattern, see if it goes up or down. If it goes down, we'll wait for pattern, see if it sets up to go down or up. Same thing, guys. 50-50 shot right here. If you're long, tighten the stop. If you're short, tighten the stop. But you know it's here. You get to 255 up in that area, you might have to cut it and see if it goes higher than re-short. But if you're long up here, that's a tough trade, guys, to squeeze a little bit more out of it. I mean, it's still, 13 bucks on the SPY, 12 bucks, but just beware. This little down day today could bring us to lower prices. Again, great areas of support coming up, 50 MA, stuff like that. And you have gap fill, gap fill, gap fill, a lot of that's going on. So that's the daily chart of the SPY. Right now, nothing wrong. Still holding the MAs and starting to come in a little bit. Just keep an eye on it. Yeah, next couple days will tell us a lot, guys, into the Friday close. So daily chart of the IWM. Volume pretty much the same as yesterday. A little bit bearish, though. Came back in. Remember, down sideways, starting to come in a little bit. Remember, down sideways, came in, but popped right back up. Again, coming into support. Let's see if it holds. It did close below the 20 MA, which is slightly bearish. We're still above the 50 and the 200. Still okay with that. You could pretty much draw. I know I got a lot of stuff on here, guys. You probably have some resistance here, too, or support right there, too, as well. So support, resistance in this area. If you're bullish, you want to get up to the 140, what is it, 340 area, then 145, then 150. This is coming out. This is a bullish pattern still. Slightly bearish with that inside bar down and sideways up at the top there. Let's see. You just got to see more. I mean, it is consolidating. I like this I like these bearish plays. I play them a lot like this. We got a pretty good percentage chance of this thing coming in, guys. But if it doesn't, then these are the areas going up. Right now, it's kind of a 50-50 shot. If we get more follow through, then it's more downside. If it turns around, goes right through, recaptures this area here, or the 140, 166 area, then we're going to double top and then possibly higher. So right now, pattern, it could go either way, guys. But we are short in this index, so I want it to go down. Qs, nice sell-off, guys. We talked about this bearish pattern inside bar at the lower range. We had the exactly what we said. Go retrace back. Watch my videos the last 2 weeks. If it retraces up, goes to the 750, you have a good chance of coming in. If it gets above there, then we're probably going to go to the all-time high, go to 145, 150. Did not do that. This was ugly today. We did fill the gap down here and close below it as well. Let's see if they bounce this thing back and get it up. They're going to try everything. If we crack this area, 137.45, we will be going to 135.93 without a doubt. Great bearish pattern. Less light volume prevails. They drop it and pop it possibly. You'll get by the dip, maybe. People are starting to think, well, let's see what happens on this one. 100 down on the NASDAQ. Not a good day. So, and then this day here too. So keep an eye on this one, guys. Right now, looking a little bit ugly on the daily. We had some pretty good volume, so that came in, but everything closed. A lot of stuff closed at the lows today, as well as the market. So keep an eye on that. Let's see if we keep chopping. We got to get it back above the 50 and keep it chopping. We get back above the 20, then maybe we stay down in here and chop. It'll be another inside bar chopping below the 20, and 20 curls in the price. That could send this thing lower. I'm still thinking 126, guys. Maybe lower, depending on how the markets are behaving. So we have a run up here, guys, that honestly, that really shouldn't have happened. And this big inside bar, holy cow. This thing better get up here and keep going, or this thing will be coming down here easily. You got a gap fill down in here to around 125. So we'll see. Not yet. You know how tough it is for this market. It's hard to kill the bull, guys. Let's go to the DIA. DIA, what was it, 1.9 million, not too bad, but we're still holding the 20 MA. But look at this one slipping too, guys. It was strong. It's just floating, 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 floating. Volume still sucks, but came right into the 20, guys. Closed right above it. So it's gonna be an interesting day tomorrow. Let's see if this holds it and slingshots it back up like they've been doing for months. It's everyone's condition now, guys. Yeah, just buy the dip. It's going back up. So tomorrow, we need a couple more days. I want to see the weekly close too. That's going to be a big one for me as well. It's big every week, to be honest with you. But big trend line, good support down in here. You got this pivot, you got this pivot, stuff like that. You got the gap fill down here too. You know, I'm going to put the line there. That's gap fill. And then ultimately the 200 moving average around 199. So that's about a $13 drop. Maybe it goes further. We'll have to see how it sets up. If you want this thing to go higher, as long as it's staying above the MA, still in a bullish stance. You know, we've been talking about 220, 225, then the 230 area up in here with the upsloping trend line off some higher pivots. So that's a great area of resistance up in there. But right now, it's still a bullish stance, guys. Daily chart, nothing wrong. Had a heck of a move, though, guys. Look at where the November lows are. I think I'm giving it the benefit of the doubt, 199. And honestly, it could come right back here to 178. So just beware of the markets right now. That's all I'm saying. IYT, not too many shares traded on this one today. Yeah, that was weird. Nobody really even touched this thing. Let me look at the transports. 58 down. It was kind of a non-show here at this one. But inside bar, tried to make a past the 170.94, couldn't do it, closed back below. Now it's chopping around, still above the MA, still a strong stance. Let's see, tomorrow and the rest of the weeks are going to be big, guys. Do we hold? Do we come in? Or do we try to attack the all-time high? Still a great bullish pattern here on the IYT, which is the transports, still above the MAs. It could go either way. But, you know, when it comes down, retraces, and comes right back down, if we do close below these guys, these low pivots, we're heading right here to 165. We get down there, then we'll have to think where this thing's going. Big support here, and then you got big support, gap fill, in the 200 MA. So one day at a time with this stuff, guys. Let's see what tomorrow and the rest of the week gives us, and then we'll take it from there. All right, guys, if you like this video, go to StockBookie.com, sign up for the free membership. And again, I thank you for stopping by and watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.